Namaste bachcho. Hello kids and welcome back to the next class of Hindi grade 2. So in the previous class we discussed about the Hindi letters. So Hindi letters, they are known as Varna Mala. What they are known? They are known as Varna Mala. And in this Hindi letters we have vowels and consonants. So in Hindi we say Swarakshar for vowels and for consonants we say Vyanjanakshar. Once again, Hindi Varnamala, it consists of Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar. So in the previous class we discussed the two Swarakshar. So can you tell which is the first Swarakshar in Hindi letter? Yes, it's letter A. So you need to take your notebook and a pencil to write this letter A. You have to write it along with me. So the first Swarakshar is letter A and we have discussed about it in the previous class. So for writing A, we need to write 3 and from this middle point a sleeping line, standing line and on the top sleeping line. So this is the first Swarakshar and the letter is A. The second one is letter A. So for writing that we need to first write 3 and from this middle point short sleeping line, standing line, again one standing line and on the top sleeping line. So these are the two Swarakshar, that is A. So one has a short sound, the other one has a longer sound. Once again, the first two Swarakshar in Hindi letter, they are the first one A, second one A. I hope you all have written it in your notebook. Now let's learn the third Swarakshar and the letter is E. It has a short sound. So I'll show you how to write it. First, you need to write a short standing line, then alphabet S and then you have to come down and on the top a short sleeping line. So this is the way to write Swarakshar E. Once again I'll show you. For writing E, first a short standing line, then alphabet S and then you have to come down and on the top a short sleeping line. So this is the Swarakshar E. It has a short sound. Now let's see few words with E. Starting with letter E. So E say Imli. You can see the picture of tamarind. In Hindi we say Imli. E say Imli. Next one, you can see here the picture of a building. So in Hindi we say Imarat. What we say? We say Imarat. E say Imarat. Now let's see the third one. So here you can see iron box. In Hindi we say Istri. So you can see all these words, it starts with Swarakshar E. The word is Istri, that means iron box. Next one, you can see the picture of cardamom. In Hindi we say Ilaichi. So here you have to learn the pronunciation of these words. No need to write it or by heart it, but you need to practice it orally, like E say Ilaichi. So once again I'll show you how to write letter E. Standing line, then alphabet S, come down and on the top short sleeping line. So this was Swarakshar E. Now let's talk about the next one, that is Swarakshar E. It has a longer sound. I'll show you how to write it the same way. First, short standing line, alphabet S and then come down on the top sleeping line and a small hook on the top. This is Swarakshar E. It has a longer sound. Once again, I'll show you. Short standing line, alphabet S, come down, sleeping line, and on the top, a small hook. So, you need to write these words in your notebook. Now, let's see a word starting with E. It has a longer sound. So, the word with E is eek. As you can see, the picture is of sugar cane. In Hindi, we say eek. So, you can hear the longer sound of Swarakshar E. The word is eek. In English, we say sugar cane. Next one, E say E-T. E say E-T. E-T means the spear. Once again, E say E-T. Next one, E say eat. E say eat. So, here you can see with letter E, a small dot is there on the top. That is the Anusar symbol, which we will learn in the next classes. So, the word is eat. E say eat. That means brick. Now, the next word is E say issue. Issue means arrow. As you can see, the picture of an arrow. In Hindi, we say issue. E say issue. So, this was about the two Swarakshar, that is E, one with the short sound, and E with the longer sound. So, there is an activity. You have to write these two Swarakshar in your notebook at least 5 times. Now, here this is a small exercise. Now, this exercise part is not there in your textbook. As you can see here, Abhyas. Abhyas means exercise. And here, the first question is, चित्र को उनके नाम से मिलाइए. So, you have to match the pictures with its name. As you can see here, the pictures are given on one side and the names are given on the other side. Now, these names are not arranged in an order. So, you have to put the correct name in front of the picture. You can see here, the first picture, we know it's pomegranate. And in Hindi, we say anar. Next one, it's fire. We say aag. The third one is building. We say imarat. Fourth one, it's sugar cane and we say eek. So, you have to match the correct names with the correct picture. Here, you can see the words are aag, eek, anar, imarat. So, you have to do this exercise by yourself. I hope you all have done it. Now, let's check the answer. So, the first one, the picture is of pomegranate and we say in Hindi, anar. Second one, fire, we say aag. Third one, building, we say imarat. Fourth one, sugar cane and we say eek. So, this is the answer for the first exercise. Now, the second exercise, the question is, चित्र के सही नाम चुनिए. So, you can see a box is there with 4 names. So, you have to choose the correct name with the correct picture. And the names are eat, we know it's brick, aam means mango, imli, tamarind, amrud means guava. So, here the pictures are, first one, the picture of guava, second one, aam, third, tamarind and the fourth one is bricks. So, you have to write the correct name in front of the correct pictures. Let's see the answer. So, the first one, it's the picture of guava and in Hindi we say amrud. Second one, the picture is of mango and in Hindi we say aam. Third one, tamarind, we say imli. Fourth one, bricks, we say eat. So, these names you have to learn it orally. Now, the third exercise, The question is अंग्रेजी शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. That means pick up the English word and write. So you can see here a box is there with few English names, and the names are python, potato, arrow, cardamom and sugarcane. Now here in the next slide you can see the Hindi names, that is ka, ajgar, kha, ilaichi, ga, eek, gha, alu, nga, issue. So now you have to write the English names. You can choose those names from the given options. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, ajgar, that means python. Elaichi, cardamom. Eek means sugarcane. Alu, it's potato. Issue, it's arrow. So this is the third exercise. So once again, the activity of this class is you need to write the two swarakshar, that is E, one with the short sound, and E with the longer sound. So you have to write at least 5 times in your notebook. Then you have to upload in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.